How do you pronounce the name of this park or gardens in Paris, France, in Paris? Trocadéro is how it's said in French. Trocadéro, so Trocadéro, or some say it as Trocadéro, Trocadéro, Trocadéro Gardens. How do you pronounce the name of this park or gardens in Paris, France, in Paris? Trocadéro is how it's said in French. Trocadéro, so Trocadéro, or some say it as Trocadéro, Trocadéro, Trocadéro Gardens. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.